this is cafe-cafean. Alright, enough, that's it. So you enjoy your day today? Wow, yeah.
Abang-abang, gengs.
Abang-abang. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again on my brand new episode. So today we are talking in the beautiful port in Victoria in Canada. This port is our second port for our brand new cruise after we complete to the Trans-Pacific crossing from Sydney, Australia to Los Angeles. As you know, it's been wonderful and great cruise and also long journey before we arrived to Los Angeles. Yesterday we were in San Francisco. Apparently I didn't make any filming or video, so I do apologize for that because it was very busy for me, so I don't have enough time, and I don't think I'm gonna do the vlogging at the time, yes, because so many things that I have to do. And anyway, don't worry, still so many another adventure coming ahead on my video, and also I hope you're gonna enjoy watching my video as much as I did doing the vlog here. And yeah, so enjoy watching my video, take a seat, relax, and welcome to Victoria in Canada. Oh, what's up everyone, welcome to Victoria, Canada. Perfect time to get out from the boat, so we can explore a little bit our break time today in Victoria. Our sister ship, Royal Princess. Say hi to Royal Princess. So we dock together with Majestic here. This is Royal Princess behind me on my side. So we're gonna have our some cruise ship here.
This video busy, man. You want my vlog? Man, who is this?
Yeah, so we docked together today with Royal Princess and Crown Princess. So three of us here, all the Princess family docked in Victoria in Canada. And that's the that's the port, Victoria. And yeah, today we get out together with this is cafe-cafean.
Manado,
From Manado, and that's Mr. Adribot. So that's Majestic Princess, and that is Royal Princess, and that's the Crown Princess. So welcome to Victoria in Canada. We decide to go to the town and we're gonna take the shuttle, and this is the shuttle. The price is $15 or $13 shuttle for round trip. Okay. Hey guys, so the weather perfectly beautiful today, sunny day, it's a bit breezy, and look at this, the sun starts coming up. It was a bit cloudy. Yeah, so we are in the Victoria, Canada, and look at this, behind me is our beautiful ship, the Princess family. We have a Royal, Majestic, and Crown Princess just right there. So yeah, so we're gonna enjoy our day today in Victoria. So welcome to Victoria in Canada. This is the shuttle. It's gonna bring us to the town. So we pay the shuttle $5 back and forth, so we can enjoy the city. So we entered the bus. That's our beautiful ship.
We'd like to tip his hat to all you folks. So here we go.
There we go.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's what I like to hear. So as we travel along Dallas Road here, to our right, the Strait of Juan de Fuca that you came in on earlier today, and in the background there you can see that is the Olympic mountain range in the state of Washington, the United States right there. The ancient
beautiful flower there.
My goodness, we have a
Oh my god.
look at these flowers blooming in front of the embassy.
And it's kind of traffic, it's a lot of car.
If you have a chance to come back down here
Oh,
tonight,
beautiful.
like I said, the legislative buildings, when it gets dark, at
That's
about
the tulip
8:30,
flower.
light up 3,300
And look at this flag
LED bulbs.
of the Canadian flag.
It's an amazing photo opportunity for you.
That's gonna
Please feel
be
free
good
while
spot
you're walking around
to
today.
take the
You
photo
can
and
go
picture
to
right
the
there.
hotel. It's open to the public.
So welcome to Victoria. The weather's so glorious, sunny day. It's a bit breezy, and you can see that so beautiful building with the nice flower over there. See, there's a lot of people taking photo right there. So beautiful. So here we are in the street of the Victoria. So beautiful day today. Yeah. So little sister take photo with the mouse. Yeah, it's been a great day here. Yeah, in Victoria. So also the weather is so beautiful. So this is exactly what we need to enjoying our break time in the city of Victoria. You take a photo. All right, that's it. Let's go. And look at this, the color. So many color here, so beautiful, the tulip flower. This is remarkable view in Victoria, so nice, so beautiful. So you can see the view, the flower. I like to see the flower, so beautiful, so colorful. You can see the tulip, and yeah, it's very nice to take a photo. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And we try to cross the street, and we going to the pier right there, and we're gonna go to the other side in the building to see the beautiful view of the building right there. And you can see that's very nice. Yeah. And so here we are in Victoria, and yeah, to enjoying our break time for a couple hours before we come back again to the ship. Look at a nice pose, taking photo for his Instagram. And oh my goodness. Very nice pose, man. Very good. All right, enough, that's it. Oh, another tulip flower again. So beautiful.
Beautiful like me.
Again? Yeah. All right. We are in front of a beautiful building. I don't know what the name is. I do believe this is very nice. As I saw many people, they take photo. Yeah guys, so we're gonna try to go there to see our friend. He's taking photo with the background, the building. So beautiful. This place absolutely wonderful, and so many people can take photo for their of Instagram or Facebook. Oh, so this is the Canadian force and Canadian citizen in the service of peace. So now we are going to the harbor. So many beautiful ship here. It's pretty nice as well here. Nice to have a picture. Look at this. Yeah. All right, now time to rise back to the ship before onboard time, and that's our shuttle is already there. Oh, that's our shuttle, and that's the royal princess. So beautiful royal princess, and right there is the crown princess. And over here is our beautiful ship, Majestic Princess. How you guys?
Keep go, yo.
How's you guys doing today? Good?
Of course.
Yeah. So
Oh yeah.
you enjoying your day?
Mhm.
Yeah. So this Adri Bob and
I do,
our
I do.
little
I do
sister
enjoy.
from Manado.
Get out of
What's your
the-
name, lady?
Karen.
Karen. Yeah. You have Instagram.
Yeah.
So you want
follow
to?
my Instagram,
Oh.
Karen.
Oh.
Yes.
Princess and then
8.
Oh, so you're gonna have 1 million follower after this. Oh my god,
I
you're gonna
hope
be
so.
famous.
I
Guys,
hope
so
so. Please.
yeah. Anyway, hope you're gonna enjoy watching my video as much as I did walking around today in the Victoria. And yeah, so thank you very much. And now we're gonna come back to the ship. And yeah, that's our beautiful ship. That's our gangway. It's middle of the ship. On deck 5, on deck 6. So beautiful. And starts windy right now. Yeah, Adri first time in here in Victoria, and same as well for Karen. So you enjoy your day today?
Of course.
Wow, yeah.
Abang-abang, gengs.
Abang-abang. Yeah. So